Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to contact seller on AliExpress. First of all, launch open AliExpress application. You can see over here AliExpress application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So first of all, what you have to do is simply tap on the product of the seller that you want to contact. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see the product details over here. At bottom, you'll be able to find various icons. So if you want to contact the seller, what you have to do is simply tap on the message icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here online customer service chat will be opened. Now you'll be able to chat with the online customer service. Simply tap on the message bar that you can see at bottom. Now you'll be able to type in your message over here. Simply type in your message. Once you do that, tap on the send option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your message will be sent. Simply wait for a while and customer service will respond to you. So like this, you'll be able to contact them. So that is how you contact the seller in AliExpress. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.